Hi everyone, my name is Taiwo. Welcome to Data Server. Our topic today is to show you how to create stack bar and stack column charts in vari-color like a pro in Power BI. I'm going to launch my Microsoft Power BI application to show you how to do that in less than 3 minutes. As you can see, this is our chart already created, the bar chart and the column chart. And to do that, we're going to select our bar chart already selected. Then we go to our visualization. We click our format visual. Then we go to our bar chart. So we want to make all these bar to be different colors. So to start with, as you can see, we have 4 different categories in this particular bar chart. So we click on the all, then we select accessory. We change the color to our desired color. I'm going to select this first and foremost. Click clothing, the second one, change it to the next color we desire. And next one, the third category, I'm going to give it this color. And the fourth, which is the last in this category. That's it done. So I want to change the column chart as well. I will click the column chart, select my column chart. The category is already selected. Then we have 6 categories on this one. The first one, and I'll change the color. The second one, change the color. The third one, change the color. The fourth, change the color. The fifth one, change the color. And the sixth, which is the last, change the color. As you can see, all the color they have already changed. Furthermore, to make our dashboard colorful, I can duplicate all this. All I need to do is select our bar chart again, press Ctrl C and Ctrl V to duplicate. The same thing apply to the column chart. Select the column chart, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and drag it to the. So automatically, I'm going to change this one to. I'm going to select the duplicate one. Then I'm going to change this one to do not chart. It automatically inherit the color from the previous one. And I'm going to change this one to bar chart. As you can see, the color inherits from the format we just done. That's all you need to do. Finish. It's not complex, just for you to understand the technique how to do it. For those of you that want to learn more about Power BI, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Access, also SQL, anything that got to do with data analysis, get in touch and unleash your potential with Data Server. We appreciate you watching our channel. Come for more educative tutorial. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay blessed. Remains your style.